Good morning. Good morning. All right, here. Let me go ahead and put this live trading out. Let me put this link. Hold up. Yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Here. Let me go ahead and get everything ready here. What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? All right. So I am kind of seeing a setup right off open that I am liking a good amount. Like the volume. Okay, the volume off open doesn't look all that bad. Um, but here's what I'm watching, guys. So here, let me go first. Okay, so I like the buying coming in. We have been holding up this 15-minute fair value gap throughout the entire morning, which is also a pretty valid fair value gap, right? 50 points. And we do have drawn liquidity above, which is really interesting me. So I am looking to take some sort of longs up here, just to get the day going really quick. Hold on. Let me get this ready. Let me get my YouTube ready. Hold up. But yeah, I do like the way buyers are holding this up. Really nice. I don't think it's going to be a fake out. I mean, we do have drawn liquidity up here, which kind of worries me a little bit, right? But if buyers are holding this up fairly well, I will consider taking longs into 692, because that is a level of liquidity that we have not taken out. So if you look at the higher time frame, you guys see the level, these two levels of liquidity, right? We need to take these out, right? We almost did, but we never did, right? So in the higher time frame, the trend is still bullish. We just need to hold this up, right? So that is the thing that I'm watching now. I want to have a good stop loss somewhere here, so we can get that. But in the meantime, what's up, guys? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Sounds fresh and energized, bro. That's what's up, bro. I got the I got the gym going, all that good stuff. But yeah, no, real stuff, guys. The thing is, I don't want to be too fast to say that. I don't want to be too quick to say that I'm bullish, because realistically, I mean, okay, long term we are, right? Long term we are bullish, like long term for the day, right? Because the market is creating higher lows constantly, right? So we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? So yeah, technically the market is bullish, right? But it's not the most bullish that we want to see. So ideally, what I want to see here would be an ideal inverse off this 15-minute to go into drawn liquidity above. That is what I'm watching. Right here, let me put this live. 646 drawn liquidity, 5-minute time frame. I'll check it out in a second. Hold on. Alright, there you go. But yeah, I want to see. The only thing I want to see is how buyers hold this up. 646. What do we have? A 646? No, that is a no. It's not even that it's weak. It's actually a pretty strong one. Because if you look at the indicator, it's a London high. It's the highest point during London. So what I want to see ideally is, of course, for buyers to step up really strong, right? Oh, it's not even 646. No, I'm looking at the 638. Yeah. So I don't really know what you see as 6. I mean, it's there. You could use it, but I don't really see a point in it. There's no strong liquidity there. That's about, like, yeah, sure, price might have rejected off of it, but there's no major rejection off that level, right? I mean, kind of there is. Yeah, you can mark it out. Actually, yeah, you could. But yeah, I want to see if buyers can push this candle up. I'll be pretty confident to say that that we could see drawn liquidity up here, or we could see a break above this 15-minute fair value gap. It would be better if we can close it. That'll be ideal. But for now, I'm just gonna pay attention to the 5-minute. That'll be the most ideal thing. I want this 5-minute to close first though, because I want to have my stop loss around the fair value gap. I just got on, logged in. Oh my shit, bro. But yeah, let me sure I have everything looking good. But buyers are looking pretty interesting. Like, okay, like I said, guys, long term throughout the day or throughout today and tomorrow, whatever, the trend is bullish, right? The market is creating higher highs and higher lows constantly, right? So that gives you the overall idea of what the market wants to do long term, which gives us the reason to look at drawn liquidity up here at 692 and of course 717. Right, so those are the two levels I am eyeing right here. But I just want to see how buyers hold this up. I need to make sure buyers hold this up really nice. Because the thing is, we could, okay, technically speaking, like right now, yes, we could reject. It's a good possibility, which is what we're doing right now. Why is that? Well, it's because we're currently rejecting off a 15-minute fair value gap that we never filled, right? Meaning, yes, we could go down into drawn liquidity down here, which is why I told you guys in the commentary that I'm not so fast to tell you guys that I'm bullish, right? Sure, everything or mostly everything's lining up bullish, but it does not mean we're gonna go up straight away, right? So that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. And if the market wants to go down, I'm expecting it to go down at least into 544 or 525. I don't think it can go lower into 495. It could, but I mean, I don't want to be so fast to say. I just want to see what the overall trend is. Keep in mind, guys, I did start the live a little bit early, so we have to wait a little bit to see. Isn't this an MSS? No, there isn't, because there's no trend yet. I mean, look where the market opened right here. It's done nothing, right? So we need to be careful. We need to be careful. What the market could do here, the thing is, I don't know. I don't know, because we can dump into drawn liquidity, create a fair value gap, and then create an MSS model and inverse it back into this drawn liquidity up here at 638. Are these the points from the previous days? Yeah. I'm not gonna pull up these points out of nowhere. You know what I mean? So yeah, these are ignore the blue and orange lines. Let me turn that off. Yeah, but these points all here, they're all my levels of liquidity, right? But right now, the whole thing that we're waiting on is mainly a trend overall, and an overall trend to be formed. Bro, Brizzy. Here, let me open my YouTube chat. Okay, bye. Mm, mm, mm. I want to be bullish though. I really do want to be bullish. Everything, like, we have the setup to be bullish. We don't have a setup to be bearish. You get what I'm saying? You see. Hold on, let me send a message here. Yeah, buyers are bringing this up pretty strong, which is what something we want to see, ideally. Let me see something. Here, I got a ping here in the chat. Let me see. Guys, I'm doing a million stuff because I thought the setup was gonna play out, so I put everything aside to try to trade it. Yeah, I couldn't even eat breakfast. Why is the 50? Hold on. All right, Mario said, why is the 15-minute for Valley Cup still valid? Because we never filled it. There's a small, super small space that didn't get filled. If you really zoom in, look at this right here. Right, so what we're looking for is we're not looking for a rejection, right? Because it makes no sense, right? But if we do inverse it, it'll be a valid inverse. That's what we're looking for, right? So we inverse out of 638, which is a level of liquidity. So if the market can hold above this, it'll be perfect. You know what I mean? Because first of all, the trend will be bullish. Second of all, drawn liquidity is being held, right? And third of all, of course, we're inversing this 15-minute fair value gap, right? And then of course we have drawn liquidity up here that we want to fill, right? So that's what ideally what I'm looking at, but I don't want to be so fast to say it because there's no trend. We're still at where the market opened, right? We're still in this opening range, so we need to be very careful with that. Yeah, okay, perfect. But if the market does want to dump, I mean, we can always play off that. I'm not saying like we have to be married to a setup this morning because you know what I mean. Sure, we might have a setup, but we can always form another one on the way down. Because keep in mind, the market has not taken out any level of liquidity. So do I ever trade the 2 minute? No, never. I don't really see a point of the 2 minute, the 3 minute, 4 minute. They're not very famous time frames. What's the fair value gap? The one that we're looking at right now is the 15 minute. It'll be this one. Was it like that? Nah. Today I had arms. I had arms. Look at yes, nah, bro. I already saw a picture of it, bro. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. Trust me, bro. But yeah, no, guys. Today and tomorrow we have no news. So I'm not expecting the cleanest price action. You guys know how no news Mondays work out, or sometimes at least. So we'll see. We'll see. Cause I mean, look at this. Hold on, give me a second. Let me turn on the air or the fan. Hold on. I'm back. Okay. All right. But yeah, oh guys, by the way, I don't know if you guys saw the schedule. You guys might know that last week I didn't really here. Let me open up my YouTube chat. Last week I didn't really do any classes. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit burnt out. To where I needed to sleep after the trading. But I caught up with everything, so everything's looking good. So this week I'm gonna give you guys a class every single day except for Wednesday. Wednesday I will not be live trading. Wednesday I will not be trading nor doing a class. I do not trade FOMC days. And you guys shouldn't be either. You guys should not be trading FOMC days. It's horrible. I know I said that about CPI, but no, FOMC is actually like really bad because FOMC is the news throughout the day, right? Meaning when oh and by the way we're dumping right now. What that means is okay with CPI, right? There's no anticipation. CPI is before the market opens, right? So the anticipation is the day before, which is why we didn't trade on Tuesday. Why is that? Because of course the market was super choppy, waiting for CPI to come out, right? Then once it comes out in the morning, of course volume is all over the place, giving us somewhat of a good market sometimes, right? With FOMC, right? FOMC is at 2 p.m. EST, which is about 2 hours before the market closes, right? So what does that mean? Well, it pretty much means that from when the market opens to when FOMC starts, right? You know what I mean? It's gonna be really choppy. So I do not bother, not even at all, to trade FOMC days. I just don't like it at all. So to be honest, the best days we can expect is Thursday and Friday. Yeah. So right now, price is looking somewhat pretty good, right? Oh yeah, bro, money trees. I got you after, cause right now I'm live on YouTube and all that stuff, so I'm not trying to open the files. Also, what do you need it for? Are you creating like a bot or something, or like a win rate counter? No. The thing is, say FOMC doesn't stop till the market closes. Yeah, because the thing is when CPI comes out, the market hasn't even opened, right? Not it's for that trading journal software. Okay, got it. I got you on that. I got you. I'll send it over once I finish all of this. Just remind me. Once I finish it, just DM me and I'll send it over. That's why aren't we bearish? I don't have I don't have a bias yet. I don't have a bias. Here, let me delete this so I don't confuse anyone. We had a setup. Um, but it's not something that's really calling my name all that crazy because of course, I mean, look at this. Not sure. Okay, yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Bro, bro, you're crazy, bro. But yeah, guys, real talk. Okay, so let's have a little bit of change of plans here, right? Because of course we need to be caught up with the market right now. If this candle can hold up, if it holds up, how many points is this? Okay, this is a 40-point candle, right? So if this candle holds up down here, we can create a pretty small fair value gap, which is going to be valid enough, right? So what we can do with this is depending on how okay, I can't tell you guys how strong buyers or sellers are because I mean look at this, right? This is the opening range, right? So what can happen is if this candle holds up down here pretty good, right? Um, but the thing is, it doesn't even look like it wants to hold. This thing looks choppy, man. It looks not that it looks choppy. There's just no direction, no direction yet. How long do I get to pass? There's no time limit. There's no time limit. There's no time limit. Okay, so no, it's been 10 actually. Oh, okay. But yeah, regardless, whatever might happen in the market, I'm pretty sure we could be ready for it. We should be ready for it. Because if we take out drawn liquidity right here, it might tell us the story on what's gonna happen, from there on out. But if we end up inversing this, I mean, we can get an entry off the bat. But we need to make sure that, of course, buyers are strong enough to see 662 or 692. So that's the game plan right now. Bro, Brizzy, it was a joke when I started the premium for my friends, and everyone just kept it going, bro. Bro, wait, Alfred two, bro, you guys are crazy, bro. Bro, Gus, no way you're trading this, bro. Bro, any alerts? Nathan, nothing yet. We're just waiting on some setups to happen in the market, and then you'll see it all live. Bro, Gus, what did you trade here, bro? There's no way you looked at the chart and decided to trade, bro. What? You went for 1 minute to retest New York Open, bro? You crazy, bro? How can you trade this? That's something, bro. That's something. But good shit though. As long as you made your money, bro. As long as you made your money, that's what's up. That's what's up. Straight chop. Yeah, no. I mean, I can't, I'm not gonna be so fast to say that the market is chopping because the market opened up like what, like 37 minutes ago. No, profit. Don't you worry, bro. I'm really quick. When it comes to chop, I always tell everyone, guys, don't trade this, don't trade this, don't trade this, don't trade this, and all that good stuff. But I'm not gonna be. I mean, the market just barely opened. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna be like, guys, we're chopping. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, sure. Right off open, it might not seem the prettiest, but it doesn't mean that we can't trend in a few minutes. Yes is in a bull channel. Not even. Okay. The thing is, when you're trading price action like this, you want to be careful. Like, sure, if you're a long-term trader, like you want to hold all day, yeah, longs will look somewhat good, right? But if you're trading for a scalp and you're not trying to get stopped out like this, you're gonna get screwed. You know what I mean? You're gonna get screwed big time actually, because even if the market does end up going up with price action pumping and dumping every single candle, right? You're probably gonna get chopped out and the stop loss is gonna get hit. You know what I mean? Like your stop loss will get hit before the trade even plays out. Here, let me catch up with the chat. Um, Wait, hold on, because I need to pay attention to this real quick. Buyers are stepping up fairly strong. Blasters, tell me how I got a 6 point trade earlier today. Bro, the thing is, like, profit is profit. You know what I mean, Fernie? Profit is profit. You can't complain. Sure, you could have, would have, should have made more, but hey. I need to see how buyers stepped up. Like, if buyers just completely ripped through this rally gap, I would be interested in longs. It will be a risky one, so I don't know if I want to size fully because there's no trend. But depending on the momentum, if the momentum looks strong, I would consider taking longs. The thing is, another thing that worries me is I already told you guys is we have 638 drawn liquidity, right? This is London high. This is the highest point overnight, right? Or not overnight, but throughout London session, right? So if the market ends up sweeping this, we might be a little bit screwed. The thing is, if we have bullish momentum, a bullish trend, and of course we inverse this bearish rally gap, one little level of drawn liquidity shouldn't be an issue, right? I'm gonna be extra careful with this trade, of course, to make sure that it actually holds above. If it does, then I'll consider taking it into 692, right? It'll be like what, like a 50 point trade, 52, I think. It'll be, yeah, like 55 points, 55 points, which is not too bad at all. Why did you stop trading support and resistance? I didn't stop trading it. I just kind of switched my strategy around it. Right, so yeah, I still use support and resistance, but now I use it more for key levels, like drawing liquidity and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, buyers are stepping up here, so I'm gonna start looking for some long soon. I'm gonna see how buyers, like I said, I of course want to see a break above this, but I want to see a little bit here. I want to see how this holds up. Bro, Dark, what do you trade? Bro, there's nothing to trade yet, bro. You gotta keep that in mind. What's the stop loss? I can't tell you guys yet. Right for now, I might have a stop loss at the bottom of the fair value gap, but I'm not gonna be so quick to tell you guys yet until I find an entry. 647 is drawn liquidity. You could have 647, but it's right around the corner. Like if this breaks out, we're gonna take this out like off the bat. So it's not something you know what I mean? Full size? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I want to see how. If buyers look strong enough, then I'll do full size. If anything, I'll just probably do like 10 micros. That might. David, we said drawn liquidity on yes. Yeah. No, the thing is, I'm paying attention to NQ. NQ hasn't taken out anything, so I want to see how buyers look so far. And ES still has a little bit more room to go higher, at least into 593, especially with the buying coming in. We gotta see that. We gotta see that. If the candle holds up, we have a 5 minute bullish fair value gap. Not really. I mean, it could have. Yeah, I do see what you're saying, but it was gonna be really really small. And of course, trading small fair value gaps is a little bit risky because you know one little tick and you're out, or one little dump or pump and you're out. You know what I mean? But we need the buy momentum to step in really strong because this whatever this market is doing right now, I am not gonna be trading this. Like if we slowly go up like this, I'm not gonna trade it. As simple as that. I need to see a very strong push up straight through it like butter. You know what I mean? I could have caught 100 points. But I got greedy. I didn't want to break even, so we didn't do. Yeah, bro. Just respect your rules. Bro. It's like a would have, should have should have, could have. You know what I mean? Like, what if the trade didn't go 100 points? Then you would have been like, oh, I should have set my stop loss to break even. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly, exactly. Just respect the rules. You know, if you made profit, no one has ever gone broke taking profits. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna see what this next 5 minute candle does. If this next 5 minute candle is a strong one, because I am bullish so far, then I'm gonna look for some longs. Can NQ? No. Trade M and Q. Trade M and Q U4. This one. Let me see. Each time you break your trading rules, you cheat on your family out for a better future. You got another day yet to work. Exactly, exactly. Think of it like that. Actually, that couldn't have been better said. David. Yeah, bro, it's okay clockwise. It's okay. I don't think there's too much of an SMT here. Between ES and I think ES still has a little bit more room to go higher if it can hold up. But just the momentum here on NQ is not pretty. I don't really like it that much. Bro, Israel, bro. It's been a long, a crazy run, bro. You know what I mean? Like it's my time to shine, pretty much. David, can you tell me since I passed my eval, now what? No, it's not a problem. Just what's it called? Don't stop trading. Stop trading for the day. When the market closes, which around like 7, I'm pretty sure they're gonna send you the email around 7 p.m. EST. Around there. It's usually around that time. They're gonna send you an email like, oh, congratulations, you passed the account. Here's the next steps, and then you go from there. So stop trading, because of course you already passed the account. There's no point of trading. And then around 7 p.m. EST, they're gonna send you the email on the confirmations to activate the PA account, and then you go from there. Why can't NQ be traded on Tradebit? It can. The thing is, I don't suggest it. I don't like trading minis as a whole. I don't like it. I like trading micros. You have more freedom to trim and do so much more practically. Yeah, you literally could do whatever you want with micros. That's the thing. Yo, I wrote a review last night on what? Oh, bro, Luis. By the way, bro, thank you. They take a little bit long to accept it. Cause they have to read through it to make sure everything looks good, and then you go from there. But thank you, bro. Thank you. It's much love to you, bro. Thank you. How much is the eval fee? It depends on which account you're trading on. It depends. Is the market? Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, yeah. The only difference is the contract the contracts. Like per micro you make $2 per contract, and per mini you make $20 per contract per point. Bro, Quest. Bro, let me find out, bro. Um, lifetime will be 160. Yeah, lifetime on 50 cases is 160, if I'm not mistaken. Bro, this volume, it's not even that it's dumping, but like this volume is so bad. Not that the volume is bad. It's the trend. There's nothing. The market opened 30 minutes ago, or no, like what, like 45 minutes ago. Nothing has happened. We've been in the same opening range, so hopefully we can get something. But of course, with the no news Monday, guys, like I said, don't expect the most, but let's see if we can get something. Let's see if we can work with something. Right now, we are forming a fair value gap, which is pretty nice. It's pretty nice, right? Now, here's what we could do, right? If the trend ends up being bearish, right, which is not possible, there's no trend yet, right? But if it ends up being bearish, right, we could use this bearish rally up to right into these 4 levels of drawn liquidity, which would be at 525, 495, and 447, which is 3 levels. I don't know why I said 4, right? But we could see that. Oh yeah, no, this dump is nice. Okay, okay, we might be forming a trend here finally, right? I don't want to be too fast to say because this candle closes in 2 minutes. Uh, let's see how we react off this opening low real quick. Let me see how many points this is. It should be like 70. Yeah, 70 points. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So it is a really good fair value gap. Don't get me wrong. Now we need to see the reaction of these levels of liquidity because of course this one's right around the corner. But if this one holds down, we can easily see 525 next, and we could trade into it if we get a fair value gap retracement. Now the market should not be bouncing here, right? If we want to get the setup to be bearish, we cannot bounce here. So that's what we're looking at right now. That is what we're looking at. We need to hold around this area. Like if we bounce up like into here where my mouse is, then we're gonna be a little bit screwed, right? But if this can hold down here for a minute and 30 seconds, we should be pretty good to get a setup. I would say we should be pretty good to get a setup. Call it. Call it. What's up, Brody? Do you mainly have an Apex? Yeah, Cherish. Yeah, for my YouTube, yes. I only use I don't use Top Step. I don't use any prop firm. I only use Apex. It's my favorite. Hey, what's up, Jesus, bro? What's going on, my man? What's up? What's up? There's a 15-minute bullish fair value gap we have been respecting. Yeah, that's the problem, and that's why I think the market is kind of rejecting here, right? Okay, so we are okay. No. Yeah, we're gonna hold this down most def. I'm not gonna say it's safe to say that the trend is bearish, but it kind of is leaning towards bearish because the market wants to go ahead and take out all these levels of liquidity down here, right? So that's what we're looking for, right? So what we could see here is, first of all, we're gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to go ahead and close, right? Once this candle closes, the next candle, if it's a dumping candle, we're gonna be bearish. If the next candle is a pumping candle, then we're gonna be bullish because of course we're sweeping liquidity right here. You guys get the game plan? Right, so the whole game plan right now is it's all right now, right? Depending on what this next 5-minute candle does, right? If we pump, we're gonna be bullish. Why? Because we're gonna be sweeping liquidity, right? If this next candle dumps, then we're gonna be bearish, going into liquidity down here, right? So we're gonna give this candle. Of course, we need to wait for this candle to close regardless, because of course we need it to close to form the fair value gap, right? And then from there, we'll have the story. It'll be safe. It'll be safe to know what the story is. Right, but we need to see what it does off this 544 level, right? If we pump through it and we rip heads, we're gonna be bullish, right? Because that means that the market swept liquidity, stopped everyone out, and formed an MSS model. But if not, we can have a fair value gap somewhat like it's pretty. I'm not gonna say it's the safest fair value gap, but it's definitely tradable. It's definitely tradable. But yeah, I'm gonna give the market about like 4 minutes. But so far, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I look want to be bearish because I mean we do have drawn liquidity that we never took out, from Friday and last week, right? We do have some really good levels of liquidity, but we'll see. Because guys, okay, if we never take out 525 and we create this fair value gap, we can use this fair value gap to write it back down into 525 and take that level out. That'll be the best possible thing. That we need to be careful here. And we need to be really picky because, like I said, there's no trend. So right now, I'm kind of guessing what the trend is, right? Depending on what we trade, we're guessing what the trend is because there's no trend. I mean, look at this, right? The only dumping candle that we really got was this one, right? But yeah, guys, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to go ahead and open up, and we'll see. Yeah, we are pumping up here, so the trend might be bullish. If it is bullish, I'll stick to the same setup up here off this 15-minute fair value gap, just to be safe. We'll give the market some more time. You know, we can inverse this 5-minute, but regardless, if we're gonna inverse this one, we might as well just inverse this 15-minute, which is where we'll base our entry from. But yeah, guys, look at this. I literally told you guys, keep in mind this level right here. Wait, if we sweep this level and we pump up, the trend will be bullish. I'm saying this right now. Right, I'm kind of guessing it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm kind of guessing that the trend is gonna be bullish, but it all depends. For now, I kind of want to take shorts off this. I want to see how buyers step up from this, and if any, because we have liquidity, we kind of almost tested liquidity, but we never took it out, right? Because this will be the stronger one, in my opinion. We'll see. This candle has 2 minutes. Play the break and retest on the open. Am I looking for shorts? The thing is, I can't tell you guys. I literally don't know what to tell you guys. Right? As much as I want to tell you guys, yeah, sure, we could do shorts, sure, we could do longs off the inverse and the whatever. There's no trend. I don't know what the market is doing. You know what I mean? I can't pretty much the if I tell you guys a trend, right? And I mean, I don't even know if this Ferrari gap is gonna hold up in the first place, right? If it does, right? Um, if I tell you guys a trend, I'll pretty much be guessing it, right? Because I mean, look at this, guys. We dump and then we pump. You know what I mean? So I definitely want to be a little bit more patient and wait for something to form. It'll be in my opinion, if we want to look for longs, I would want this fair value gap to close inside of this candle, and then we just easily inverse this 15-minute one. Because the thing is, if we hold up this 5-minute bearish rally gap right here, there's a chance where the market can do this, right? Because keep in mind, we never took out liquidity down here, right? We still have liquidity, which if the market wants to dump, is going to take this one out, right? So what we can do here is, or what the market could do, is we leave this small gap open, we retrace into the gap, and then we dump right back down to drawn liquidity, right? And if we want to play with the bias, we're going to miss the setup, right? So if the market could dump maybe 15 more points, I think it'll be safe to say that that we want to be more bullish than bearish. But if we hold this up, I really can't tell you guys what the trend is until I see a reaction. Are we sizing light? So far, not really. I don't really see a reason to size light. I mean, we don't have news or anything that will mess us up. It's just I'm gonna be more patient behind the setups to wait for, of course, a trend to be formed. Right, but so far I've been leaning bullish all day. So we'll see what the market gives us. What's my source of news? Here. And then here are my settings, just in case you want to use them. Alright, there you go. Are we gonna take the fair value gap? The thing is, I don't know. I don't want to be too quick to say that I'm gonna take it because I really don't know. The reason I'm saying I don't know is because there's no trend in the market, right? I don't know if the market is bearish enough to take out liquidity or if it's bullish enough to inverse the 15-minute, right? So I guess I'll wait for a reaction, or maybe I'll just use this for value gap to get the bias. And if we dump back down, I'm sure we will create another one. The volume seems pretty good, at least for now. The volume seems pretty good to create another fair value gap. It shouldn't be an issue. But I don't want to be so fast to tell you guys to take shorts off this fair value gap because there's no trend. Like, look at this. We've been chopping, sort of. So if we end up inversing this, it'll give us the bias to be bullish, and if anything, we can always inverse this 15-minute. I think it'll be a lot safer. But yeah, look how strong buyers are, right? Oh yeah, buyers look strong. Buyers do look strong. But we'll see. We'll see how this one holds up. I'm gonna use this fair value gap to get the bias in the market. So if we do reject, I'll be bearish, of course, and to draw on liquidity. And since we're going to be bearish, I'm sure we'll create another fair value gap on the way down. And now that we have the trend off this one, right, we will know that if we create a bearish fair value gap, it will be actually bearish instead of us looking for a sweep. So that's the game plan. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I really would take longs off this. I really would. The thing is, I don't know if I like it too much. That's the thing. I don't know if I like it too much because it will look somewhat like this. I mean, the bias is bullish, or at least my bias is bullish. But the thing is, if you take this one, you have a huge restriction up here off this 15-minute, right? You don't know what the trend is, right? You're pretty much relying off just momentum, right? But to be fair, right? The market did sweep liquidity, and we are signaling an MSS model. So I'm not gonna lie, an entry here, at least for starters, it wouldn't be so bad for starters because the buyers do look pretty strong. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if I want to base it off of this fair value gap though. I'm gonna see. I might get a late entry off this. I'm gonna see how this holds up. If it holds up good, I'll consider entering starters, and then just going from there. Let me see. Let me see. Because right now the momentum is weird. That's the only thing that's worrying me. But the thing is, look at this. So it'll be the DOL sweep right here. DOL sweep. And then what we're getting right now would be the MSS being formed. I might take a jab at longs here. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I kind of really want to take a jab at longs. Like I really like how this is being held up. I might risk it. I'm gonna do something light here. Yeah, I'm gonna do something light here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and enter longs. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm in. I'm in really light though. I'm in really light, guys. Really light. It's gonna be starters. So if you guys don't want to risk it just yet, don't risk it. Don't risk it. But I do like the way this is holding up fairly well. So I'll consider it. And then this candle closes in 20 seconds. So if it can hold, if it can hold up for 20 seconds, I'll be happy with it. What's the stop loss? Am I in? Yeah, I'm in. I'm in starters. I'm in starters. I'm in super light. If this stops me out, I don't really care at all. I will lose practically almost nothing, right? But if we do end up inversing off this, I'll add more to my position. But for now, I kind of want to get a starting position. What's the stop loss? It's right here. It's right here. It's at 19,578. It's where my line is right here. You can see you guys can see my price targets and my stop loss off this. Longs or shorts? We're in longs. We're in longs. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can see 638. Let's see if this can hold up. See, I might trim some off around 625 because I just don't like the volume all that much. But right now I'm up about 10 points. I don't know. What fill did you guys get? I don't want to trim off anything. What? This dude entered 50 micros. Are you crazy? Where'd you enter? Oh, you entered down. Oof! Look at that pump. Oh my! Oh my! Guys, trim. You guys already know the deal, baby. Trim. What a pump up. What was that? Damn. Alright. I'll take it. I'll happily take it, guys. I'll happily take it. That was 25 points there. Don't get too greedy, guys. Make sure you guys trim on the way up. But yeah, that was a really good. I hope you guys trimmed off that. Have you guys trimmed off that? That was a beautiful push up. Good enough to call it a good trade, I would say. Yeah, let me alert this. That was a really good push up. I took profit and jumped out. I fully exited. Okay. So yeah, I'm seeing that a lot of you guys are getting out of the trade. So regardless, this trade shouldn't go red either way. You guys just micromanage your position. Micromanage your position. Yeah, do as you please. Do as you please. Keep in mind, I have starters, so I don't really care what this position does all that much. But we are in profit. We are in profit. So that was a good snipe. That was a good snipe. Let me see. How many of you guys actually ended up catching that? Let me see. Am I still in? Yeah. I never got stopped out. Never got stopped out. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, react to this poll. I want to see how many of you guys ended up catching this. Damn. Okay. Damn. Oh my. Okay. 30 people off the bat. All right, guys. 40 people. 45 people. Oh, damn, you guys. 50 people. You guys are going crazy, man. And then of course for the 14 that didn't catch you guys, there's a good chance that I might add more. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to have this position risk free in a way, but I might want to add more off 638. I do believe we can see 638 soon though. But regardless, this trade is beautiful. 15 points. Hey, bro. In a market like this, 15, 20, 25 points, we'll take it. Am I still in? Yeah, I'm in very light. Like, I don't care if this trade goes against us. At least for now. If it keeps breaking above, I will consider adding more. Because right now I'm in starters. And I trim most off either way. Let me catch up with the YouTube chat. Okay. And by the way, for my YouTube people, for the people on YouTube, guys, I'm sure you guys might know this stream is delayed by 2 minutes. So if you guys, of course, want to watch this real time, get alerts and everything, feel free to click the first link in the description, guys. But yeah, all right, here, let me catch up with the chat. The thing is, the momentum is so weird that I answered when you first considered it, bro. That's crazy, bro. Bro, you're more confident in my ideas than I am for myself. Beautiful trade, David. Wish I took it, but it is. Hey, Gibby, don't stress it, bro. I'm gonna stay on for a little longer. Don't stress it. Should I copy trade or just watch for now? I would say just watch. Wait for the momentum to be a little bit stronger to the upside, and if it is, I'll let you guys know when a good entry will be. But bro, Jace, good shit, bro. Bro, you're more confident in my ideas than I am for myself. Bro, is it weird that I didn't take this? Not really. I mean, the momentum is okay. First of all, the thing that we're lacking here is the trend. The momentum is really off, right? Although I would want to say that we're bullish, right? We're really not, or not that we're not. We just don't have a trend, right? So let me see. Damn, I missed. Hey, don't worry, Patrick. Don't worry. It looked too choppy for me. I got nervous. Don't stress it, guys. For those that didn't take it, guys, do not stress it. I'm gonna give you guys another play. But for those that did catch it, of course, it was a quick scalp. 25 points. We'll take it. You know what I mean? Good way to start the Monday in a way. Did you move your stop loss? Actually, I completely forgot. Here I'm gonna move it. Since I'm in starters, I'm gonna move it a little bit lighter, not to break even, but because I don't care if this gets stopped out. I just want to get a good position to where if this rips, I could be like, guys, we're in. You know what I mean? Peep that fair value gap. Which one? Which one, Johns? Where did I put it? Right now I'm gonna move it to like the bottom of this fair value gap. Just move it a little bit closer to break even. You could do break even if you don't want to risk. Keep in mind, I'm in rarely any size. So if this trade goes against me, I'm still gonna be green on the day. So I don't care, guys. Don't rely off me like fully. Like if you guys want to get out of the trade, feel free to. If you guys want to move it to break even, feel free to. You know what I mean? New bullish fair value gap. Are you talking about this one right here? Excuse me. Hey, what's up, Savvy? What's going on, man? What's up? Are you talking about this one, John? Yeah, let me see. Let me check that out for you. I mean, you can consider a fair value gap. First of all, the candle is not a full buying candle, and we're just barely 40 points. You can count it. Yeah, you could count it. The thing is, I don't know if you know what I mean. Like, it's up to you. Don't rely, bro. Not like that either, but bro. Hey, Brizzy, good shit, bro. Good shit. Small wins, we'll take it. You know what I mean? But yeah, John. If what you say lives up to it, bro, we should bounce off of this. You know what I mean? But yeah, regardless, pretty good catch, guys. Really good catch. Really, really good catch. I'm happy with it. And I'm finally seeing that you guys are finally sizing light with my ideas. I know sometimes I tell you guys, like, guys, I'm not confident, size light, do starters, and you guys do literally full port it. And I'm finally seeing that you guys are taking something, so I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. The thing is, the momentum is so dead here that I want to see buyers step in. They should be stepping in. They really should be, right? Buyers should be stepping in here. But the one thing I want to see is, of course, first of all, drawing liquidity to get taken out at 638 first before we dump. There's no reason for us to dump here, at least for now. And if we do end up inversing this, guys, we should be making bank off this. But we just need to see. Buyer, the momentum is so dead. I just don't like this. Justify micros, but I want to focus on points. All right, exactly. Don't guys, trade the charts. Don't trade the P&L. Forget about the money. The money follows along, right? We got a good trade. We got a good idea, especially in a market like this. In a market with no trend, where's our TP? Should I re-enter? It's up to you. It's up to you. I would, if you're gonna re-enter, I would say re-enter off the break above this 15-minute, which is where I would consider it. But don't enter right here because this whatever this is, I don't know what to call it. Where's our TP? Our TP will be at 638, 692, and 717. Those will be our three TPs. Yeah, I do. Okay, I do believe in 638 a lot. I don't know about 692 if the market doesn't have a trend, right? But I do believe in 638. I do believe in it. Yeah, 638 right here, 19,638. I do believe in it. We just need to see some buying coming in. We should be getting buying coming in, but I don't know. There's no momentum. No, Squeezy, don't chase it. Don't chase it, bro. Don't chase it in this range. We already got the profits. You don't want to be, going red when we took the profits. So definitely be careful. Definitely be careful. Like I said, guys, if you guys do want to re-enter or enter a little bit later, I would consider off this inverse off the 15-minute fair value gap. This is where I ideally wanted to enter. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, look how this momentum is. If I end up getting stopped out on my final contracts, like I said, I don't care. This trade is already green. But I don't know if I want to consider. I would want to see the trend, and if we do end up inversing this up here, I would enter again. I would enter again. But yeah, let's see. Let me catch up with the chat. All right. Hey, bro. Arbon, bro. Take it easy, my man. Take it easy. Take it easy. Bro, respect. Bro, we'll see. Brizzy. Yo, the 1 hour fair value gap. What do we have on the 1 hour? Oh, it's the same thing as the 15-minute. Yeah, it's the same thing as the 15-minute. So, bro, bro, what the hell is that, bro? Bro, what is that? Anyways, yeah, on the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame, we do have the same fair value gap, which is really nice to see. The thing is the question. The main question is do we end up inversing it? That's the question. That is the question. Do we end up inversing that 1 hour fair value gap? Bro, savvy, bro. Man. Let me see. But yeah, John, I think I feel like you're right in a way. We are getting the push up, guys. I'm not gonna lie, my stop loss got edged by a tick, bro, by a tick, bro. If this pumps up, God is on our side. That's all I'm gonna say. If this pumps up into our entire TP, God is on our side, cause my stop loss got edged by one tick, or by a point, right? By a point, yeah, by 2 ticks. So if this pumps up, God bless, God bless. Brizzy, yeah, no, you definitely have some competition, bro. But yeah, no, for those that did take this trade, guys, I should not be seeing anyone at all be read off this. Anyone at all. No matter what. No matter what. Here, let me catch up with my YouTube chat. Wait, Rudity. Rudity, aren't you in the premium? Your name looks so familiar. Strategy videos are crazy good. Do you have any video recommendations to learn some more? Here, yeah, Brandon. On my YouTube. Here, let me catch up. There you go. But yeah, Rudity, bro, your name looks so familiar. Are you not in the premium? I feel like you are. But anyways, if you're not, bro, yeah, we ended up catching this. We ended up trading this. Look at this. Beep this. So if you could look at my screen, I think you can see my screenshot, right? Yeah, you can. You can. Okay. So we ended up, bro. Okay. So we ended up catching NQ longs at 19,610, right? With our TPs being all of these, right? Where's the market? Okay. Right. My stop loss was 19,578, and here's the picture of when we entered, and here's the picture of when we took our TP. It was a quick scalp, nothing crazy. 25 points on NQ. Of course, I told everyone to trim if you don't like the momentum, move your stop loss, and all that good stuff. Right. So that's that. That's that. But yeah, bro, this momentum is, guys. This momentum is so bad, bro. That's a no news Monday for you guys. That's a no news Monday for you guys. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. But regardless, even if the Monday, if this Monday ends up like being trash, regardless, we're still somewhat green. It's a good way to start the week, right? It's a good warm up. You know what I mean? It's a good warm up. Yeah, I would say we hit the trade somewhat. Okay, the entry wasn't perfect. The entry was a little bit iffy, and so was the setup. But it did end up hitting our PT fairly quick. I'm surprised we never hit our drawn liquidity though. I mean, we pumped up and then we dumped out of nowhere. That makes no sense, right? But that's what we get for trading a no momentum market. PT. PT stands for price target, if that's what you're asking. But if anything, yeah, we're looking at 638. It didn't hit it. Yeah, no, that's what I said. It never hit our PT, but we did get a trim off though at 25 points. We got to be quick to react in a market like this, cause you know what I mean, bro. What is this, bro? I got added to some stupid ass Telegram. Like, get me the fuck out of here. How do I leave? There you go. Okay. Look at ES. Don't tell me ES is chopping. Don't tell me ES is chopping, guys. Oh, actually, ES looks okay. ES doesn't look the best, but it looks way better than NQ. And the thing is, ES is about to hit drawn liquidity, which is something to look out for. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I mean, if ES pumps up into drawn liquidity, it'll of course give NQ the pump up that we're looking for. I mean, just look at this, right? The thing is, okay, we just took out drawn liquidity. The thing is, if we take out this level of liquidity, we might. There's a good chance that NQ could get stopped out. Because if we take out liquidity and we MSS back down, you guys get what I'm saying? That might be a big issue. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer or anything. So let's just hope for the best and see if ES can give NQ the push up that we're looking for. Cause man, I'm trying to hit this, man. I'm trying to hit PT1, man. I'm trying to hit PT1. Um, what happened, Brizzy? What happened? NQ's calling your name, bro. I mean, shit. We'll see. We'll see. And guys, by the way, if you haven't trimmed yet, I mean, this would be a good place to trim. This would be an amazing place to trim. Let's see if we can finally hit PT1, which we should have. I shouldn't even be saying let's see if we can hit it, but we should have been hit it. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see if the market can bless us. Can we re-enter off the? Yeah, you could. You could. Yeah, yeah. Just make sure everything aligns perfectly. Just make sure everything aligns perfectly behind that. Okay, guys, we need to just pump up 10 points, please. Actually, no, 20 points. 20 points. Guys, if NQ can pump up 20 points, I'll be a happy man enough to call it a Monday. I'll do that. When shall I enter? Harvey, we've been in, but if you want to enter a little bit later, look for a break above 638. If NQ can hold above 638, longs will somewhat look good. They will look good because that's where I was trying to enter longs. Here, let me make sure that this picture looks good. Yeah, it did. Okay, perfect. Come on, NQ, you have to pump up a little bit, man. Please, just please. I'm gonna start begging you. But regardless, it's still a good trade. But if PT1 gets hit, I'll be happy enough to call it on Monday. That's all I asked for. That's all I asked for. Oh shit, I gotta charge my phone. Bro, ES might be sweeping this level. No. Okay, guys. ES needs to hold above this level of liquidity for NQ to hit PT1. Because right now the bullish SMT is ES right now. NQ is the bearish one. Actually, NQ is the choppy one. We were talking so much shit about ES, but look what happened now. NQ is the choppy one now. That's the problem. NQ is the choppy one. So ES needs to hold above this level of liquidity for NQ to hit PT1. Wait, are we at all-time highs? Oh, I was about to say, are we close to all-time highs? Yeah, we're actually right around the corner. Actually, no, we're like 200 points away. That's pretty far. I was about to say, but yeah, no. If guys, ES cannot sweep this liquidity. It cannot sweep it. All I ask for is for PT1 to get hit, because I want to make that extra lunch money for the trade. But yeah, let's see. What will be a good re-entry? A break above 638. That'll be the best entry that you can get. That'll be the best entry. But right now we're being held down by this 15-minute fair value gap, which is what we're trying to inverse in the first place. And PT2 at 92, yeah, that'll be PT2. So if for those that didn't enter and you guys are looking for a re-entry, our PT1 would be your entry point, right? So you guys are running a little bit of a risk of a liquidity sweep, but I doubt it. I doubt it. We just need to make sure that the trend is strong, right? For those that enter off the later entry, you guys will target 692, right? But for those that entered with me, with your starters, your ideal entry point or your ideal take profit would be at 638. That's what we're looking for. But regardless, the trade is still green. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's been such a blessing that we got an entry. Cause man, if we didn't get this entry, I probably would have called it a day. Cause man, this price action is so garbage. This price action is actually garbage. No, it's not that the volume is bad. It's the trend. There's no trend. There's no trend. But all we need to do is come on NQ. If you can pump up this many points, just do 5 more points. That's all I ask for. 5 more points. Come on, it's right there. It's right there. Please. All I ask for. 380 off of the day. Hey, appreciate you, my man. I can't read your name because it's like dotted out because I have streamer mode on. But bro, good shit. Good shit. That's what I love. There we go, guys. Let's go, man. Let's look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys. For those that do wanna hold on. Let me write the alert. For those that do wanna enter, look for a hold above this 15-minute inverse. But for those that are in with me, guys, our PT got hit for how many points? How many points is this? 35 points. Bet. Oops. Let me write this over. PT1 hit on NQ for bet. What? I'm not gonna say it was an amazing trade. It was an alright trade, but hey, it hit our TP. We can't complain at all, guys. We can't complain. Right. Oh, guys, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I forgot to say that. Move your stops to break even. Oof. I don't know if you guys are entering off this. If you are, I don't know if I want to say enter just yet. I mean, you guys could take the risk. You guys could take the risk. I trim most of my contracts here. Only runners with a break. Okay, let me go ahead and post it over. The thing is, we need to see how NQ holds above this, because guys, keep in mind we are inversing this 15-minute, which is beautiful. Beautiful catch there. Beautiful catch. Let me go ahead and post this over. Let me make sure everything looks good. I just lost my dog. Oh shit. Look at that, guys. Did you guys end up entering off that? I don't know if you guys did. Let me know. Alright, let me post this over. Betsky. Should I take profit? I mean, you could trim some off. Definitely trim some off on the way up. But really good catch, guys. Really good catch. Mind going over your strategies, quick and simple. Rudy, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take forever, bro. Just going to my YouTube channel, and all the videos are there that you need to watch. They're all there. Should we? Yeah. Can I still enter? You guys should have gotten an entry like 5 points ago. Because right now it's a little bit too late. This is where I will be taking somewhat of a profit. You could enter. Keep in mind, you're running a huge risk, right? You are running a huge risk, but it's oh my. Wow, what a trade, guys. Wow, this thing is ripping heads, guys. This thing is ripping heads. Wow. What a trade. 55 points, man. 55 points. Okay, 55% on NQ. Take some trims off here and start turning your stop loss to green. Okay, perfect. Guys, on this type of PA, man, we caught something good. Who the hell is calling me? Do you not know that I'm live trading right now, man? Like, fuck off. All right. But yeah, no one. Even if you guys got the re-entry down here, no one should be red. No one should be red. I don't know if you guys got the trim off there or not. But I'm gonna let this trade do its thing. If we come back and retest 638, can we still re-enter? You could. I mean, honestly, if anything, worst comes to worst, you guys can use this as a fair value gap. If this candle doesn't dump, which I don't know yet, you guys can use this as a BPR plus a fair value gap retracement. The thing is, guys, you guys should have been entered. Like, you guys should have been entered and trimmed off the bat already. So when it comes to re-entering, I'm not in a spot to tell you guys if it's good or not. You know what I mean? Bro, how do you go red off that? No, that has to be an old picture, bro. That has to be an old picture, because there's no way, man. There's no way. You had a million opportunities to enter. There's no way you went right off that. Wait, let me see. I can't read your name. But I gotta turn off streamer mode. Look, if you guys look at my screen share, I cannot read anyone's name. It's like dotted out, right? But for the one with the pink profile picture, for the one that said really appreciate all your hard work, thank you. It's a blessing. Thank you. It means the world to me, actually. But Quest, there is no way you are red from that, bro. That has to be an old picture. I don't believe it. I don't want to believe it. Do we hit 92? I mean, bro, I can't tell the future. We're not near 92. It's the next price target, ideally, if the market does pump up. But I don't know if we're gonna hit it. I mean, we'll see. Let me see. I fucked up. I wanted to size light since I'm so close to passing, and I entered 2 MNQ and sold half at 629. Then got stopped out at 593. Should have entered. Hey, I mean, as I'm pretty sure you're green off that, right? Regardless, you're still green. It's light. I mean, it was like 1 micro, but hey, break even. I mean, it's whatever. It's better than red. You know what I mean? Is it creating a new fair value gap? I can't really say. I'm gonna need to wait for this 5-minute candle to go ahead and close. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, Quest, bro. I was about to say, bro, like, fuck, man, come on, bro. But alright, I exited too early with the first trade. It happens, bro. It happens. Don't stress it. I'm gonna get stopped down on the re-entry. I don't want to say it's looking too bad yet. I don't want to be quick to say it's too bad. The trend is bullish long term. I am bullish. The thing is, when you're taking a re-entry up here, it's a little bit risky. Keep that in mind. It's a little bit risky. But I'm not gonna tell you guys that it's looking bad yet. If anything, it's looking good. We're just getting a simple retracement, right? So I'm not gonna say to worry anymore. I want to say to worry just yet. Now, if we end up closing below, okay, I would say, okay, look. So for the ones that did get the entry, keep in mind we do have a 5-minute fair value gap, right? We do have a 5-minute fair value gap right here. right? Now, if when this 5 minute candle closes, if price goes below this fair value gap, then you should start worrying, right? Then you should start worrying. Right, but for now, I think you're good. I think this is a simple retracement. Keep in mind, the trend is not the strongest yet, so there will be pullbacks, right? A little pullback is not the end of the world, right? I mean, look what's going on right now. So yeah, and guys, make sure if we break highs, make sure you guys trim off. Make sure you guys trim some off. And then let me catch up with my YouTube chat. I have not been showing them love. But yeah, guys, for my YouTube people, if you guys do want to catch these alerts and the live trading live, or live trading live, if you guys don't want a delay in the live trading, guys, click the first link in the description. It'll bring you over to the store page, and you guys do as you want there. All right, guys. But yeah, we ended up catching this beautiful trade over in the premium. So if you guys, of course, want to join the team, join the family, it's all in there. It's on the description, guys. But let me see. I exited early instead of moving my stop loss. Still up 445. Hey, bro, that's 445, man. We can't complain. We can't complain. Why do I always exit so early, bro? Fernie, trim, move your stop loss. Trim, move your stop loss. There's no point of selling everything. You know what I mean? On the 2 minute fair value gap, bro, Frank, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it frank, you know what I mean? Like, nah, alright, let me stop. I'm gonna be real with you, right? In my life, I've never used the 2 minute fair value gap, or a 2 minute time frame ever, right? I've rarely ever used the 3 minute, I think I've used it once in my entire career. I've used the 1 minute here and there, it's not my favorite. So to trim, you just sell, okay, so okay, let's say for example, you're in longs, right? You entered 10 micros longs. Right? To trim, you just sell anything less than 10. Meaning that if you sell some, you're going to hold some left. Right? Meaning if the chart goes your way, you're going to make that extra profit off those running contracts. These are known as runners. Right? That's why I always tell you guys. Instead of missing out, selling too early, just trim. Just trim. There's nothing wrong with trimming. Candle close green? Yeah, I mean, I told you guys, you're good. It's a small pullback. I still think we can go higher. I'm not saying we're going to hit 92, but make sure you guys, of course, trim on the way up, right? There's never been a time where I've held the trade fully until PT. Or actually, no, there's been times, but yeah, make sure you do that, bro. Make sure you do that. And same goes with you, JW. I don't know where you entered, but make sure that got stopped on the pullback to the tick, bro. Where'd you say your stop loss? The thing is, even if we would have entered off this, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I would have probably set my stop loss like down here. Like my stop loss would have probably been placed like 617, which I don't think is too bad of a stop loss. If we would have entered like off the breakout, like maybe like 40, yeah, like a 20-point stop loss. So yeah, I would keep it like around 617 in a way. But we'll see. Yes, took out the high. Which high did it take out? Because I know it took out a high like a few minutes ago. ES, guys, I'm not gonna lie. ES is the leading index today. This thing is pushing NQ like crazy. This thing is pushing NQ. What's NQ doing? It's at 55. Bro, look at this chart. Okay, it's not ugly. It's just super zoomed out. Guys, if we end up breaking above this high up here, take some trims off. Even if you guys got the early entry with me, take some trims up here, like off this break. If we get the breakout off 662, take something out there. I'm gonna take something out there as well, and then of course move your stop loss a little bit higher. But yeah, guys. For those in my YouTube, if you guys do want to look at how the alert ended up going, here it is. So we ended up getting the entry off of 19610 right here. Right here's how the chart looked. I don't know if you guys can see it all that good, but it's right there. Right, we ended up catching, for now at least, we're up 55 points on this trade. And here's the chart. So we entered down here, we took some profit up here. So yeah, if you guys want access to the premium and all that good stuff, first link in the description. Join the team, join the family. We got you covered in there, guys. But yeah, let's see. Oh, guys, we're breaking above 662. So look for a break above here. You guys could trim right now, or if you guys want to be a little bit risky, guys, you guys could also trim off the breakout if you guys want to get that extra few dollars. But for the case being, right now, I am still pretty bullish. The whole reason I'm bullish, I'm not gonna lie, guys, is because ES is giving us that huge pump up. So yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get the breakout here, guys. JW and Squeezy, I know you guys are in a little bit of a late entry. I would say trim some off here. Just be safe. Better safe than sorry, guys. So trim some off here in profit. No one should be red regardless. I don't know if you guys got stopped out. I saw someone got stopped out to the tick, but I don't know too much on that. Bro, Miguel, your profile picture is gold, bro. I fucking love this, bro. This should made my day, bro. I caught your first entry. I just got out early and was looking for a re-entry. Oh, okay, got it, got it. Thanks for the setup, David. I'm setting lighter now. Instead of always full porting, made 260 across 3 accounts. Hey, bro, 260. Wait, 260 on each account or 260 per, like, in total. Regardless, it's 260. We'll take it. That's better than a 9 and 5. You know what I mean? And guys, we are ripping heads, man. Let's go. You're in the trade right now? Yeah, we've been in, Nathan, we've been in the trade for the last, I don't know, like 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes on each account. Hey, bro, 260 times 3. That's like 600. I didn't trim. I'm gonna set break even and hold until I get 40 points. You could do that. You could do that. As long as the trade doesn't go red, it's all up to you how you manage it. I'm not gonna be, of course, the one to tell you how to manage it. But oh, and by the way, guys, there's 133 people, 134 people in here, guys. If you took this entry, do me a favor, go to the wins channel and post the wins, guys. I don't care if it's $1, if it's $10, 100, 1,000, $10,000. Post the wins. Post the wins. Come on, guys. Come on. I need to see those wins, man. But here, real stuff. Let me write the commentary. How many points does this pump up? 60 points. Okay, beautiful. Made like 100. I got out too early. From the premium. Wait, the premium. Wait, you're in RP's premium, I'm assuming, because if you're in the YouTube live, if you're in my premium, you could join. Of course, you could join the call. We're on the call right here. But if you're in RP's premium, then you might have a little bit of a delay here on YouTube. But regardless, good stuff, my man. Good stuff. I'm really happy that you guys are making some money. Am I calling it a day after this? Most definitely, Kippy. Most definitely, man. We got our thing. You know what I mean? If my bad, I burped there. Now I'm in yours, just seeing what's good on in the YouTube. Oh, okay, bet. All right, sounds good. Up 660 on the day, can't complain about that. Shout out, hey, thank you, my man. But yeah, guys, instead of putting it out here in the live trading chat, guys, put it in the wins channel, man. Put it, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, real talk, what a way to start the week. Amazing way to start the week. Amazing way to keep the streak going. And all that good stuff. And right now I'm working towards my next payout. I'm sure you guys saw I requested a payout on Friday in the afternoon on Friday. Another 10k. Once that one hits, guys, it's time, man. It's time, bro. Once that payout hits, guys, it's time. You know what I mean? Am I done? Yeah. If you guys don't want to be in the call, if you guys made your money, I'm done trading. I'm not gonna trade anymore. New card coming. Man, I don't want to say anything yet, but be ready, guys. Be ready by next month. We already know. I've been working my ass off every single day. Been showing up, to the live trading, doing my best every single day. So, man, it's time. How long does it take to hit the bank? About a week, maybe in a week and a half. It's different. It's different. I deserve it. Thank you, man. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. You guys know. Usually I try to be humble. Sometimes. 10k profits on the PA account. Yeah, I requested a 10k payout. Again. Okay, we're pumping up here. Another really good trade. But guys, I'm not gonna lie. Like, man, I've been working. Like, bro, I was talking to my family, not to my mom and my girlfriend yesterday. Like, bro, I almost shed a tear, bro. I almost shed a tear, bro, because I was so happy. You guys don't understand, bro. I've been putting in the work for a long time, every single day, working 24 hours, even on weekends, and man, it's finally paying off, bro. My dream item, I'm gonna say item. My dream item is finally coming along, bro. So I'm happy, bro. And now that we made some money today, it adds on top of that. You know what I mean? The business is growing. We're catching good trades. Everyone's making money. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. But here, let me go ahead and make sure that I alert this over. How many points is this? This should be 65. Yep, 65 points. Beautiful. Let me post here. At 19,692.75. But yeah, no one should be red today. And guys, I've been getting so many DMs from a lot of you guys. I don't know. Okay, I know some people. You guys like to stay anonymous, so of course I'm not gonna say names. I'm gonna respect it. But I've been getting a lot of DMs from a lot of you guys that you guys are so close to another payout goal. So literally everyone is eating, guys. Everyone is eating. That's why I really love to see you guys. So it means a lot to me because, of course, I run. You know what I mean? I run a group like this, so it means the world. It really means the world that everyone is making money as a family, as a team. And I really couldn't have asked for a better, man. I really could not have asked for better. But guys, I'm super happy with this trade. I'm actually really happy. I'm glad we took the risk. I usually don't take the risk like this, but here, let me go ahead and post this over at 65 points. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. But yeah. Yeah, I'm catching up with the chat. Still in the, hey, Money, you're still in, right? You should be, bro. You should, you, my man. Appreciate you, but we gotta run some Valorant. I know I said it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was away. I wasn't home all weekend, and I might not be. Guys, my birthday is this weekend too, so I'm not gonna take any days off. I know a lot of people that are like, oh, it's my birthday weekend. I'm gonna take the day. No, no, guys, we don't have room to waste. We can't waste time, guys. I need to get this item by next month. I do not have time to take days off. I don't care about days off. I'm gonna enjoy the time over the weekend. But guys, this week, your boy's turning 19 finally, man. Finally. So, hey Blasters, how do you move your stop loss by dragging it? Yeah. Okay. So quest, and that goes for everyone. Okay, guys, you guys know when you guys place your stop loss right on Tradevate, there's gonna be like a red box in the price right here where the price is. There's gonna be like a red box like this. You simply grab your stop loss right, and you just move it up or down, and then you're gonna see that it drags along with it. But yeah, guys, your boy's finally turning 19, man. Let's fucking go, bro. We don't have, guys. I do not care. I'm not taking any days off. Friday and Monday will be on the charts. What time is the class today? At 4 p.m. EST. 4 p.m. every day EST. Happy early birthday. Wait, let me see. Frank, the best thing about the live stream is learning how to trade. And exactly, man. A lot of people, you guys, what's it called? A lot of people, I don't know. You guys, okay. Let me see. Are we done for the day? Practically. I'm waiting for my PT to get hit. This thing is ripping. I'm waiting for my PT to get hit. But yeah, we're practically done for the day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm practically done. But what's it called? Okay, so what was I saying? This guy's from Fat Trees. Exactly. That's the energy, man. What was I gonna say? Hold up. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so a lot of you guys always tell me to start the live trading, and I'm like, bro, for what? Like, if I'm posting the commentary, it's the same thing as me saying it in the live trading. But a lot of you guys, okay, let me know. Do you guys feel in a way safe? Like that's what like you guys feel like a lot safer to enter, a lot more confident to enter the trades when I'm like talking alongside with it. I feel safe in your arms, bro. What the hell? I mean, if that's how you guys feel, I mean, shit. I'm not going nowhere. I'm here every single day live trading, but more confident with the verbal lives. In a way, yeah, I can see how you guys get confused sometimes. So yeah, definitely, definitely. Um, I think the oh yeah, no, for new people, of course, yeah, a big reason I do this is to help you guys out. You're my background sound, bro. What the hell? Do you go to sleep with my voice, bro? Like, what's going on? Trust me, it takes time, but yeah, no, for sure, for sure. If you understand the charts and how to read them, your commentary works. Exactly, exactly. The commentary is the same way I talk in the live trading, just a lot more text wise. Hey, what's up, Murph? What's going on, my man? What's up? I'm still holding to 92, bro. Make sure you're trimming, bro. Make sure you're trimming and moving your your. Should I sell? No, no. There's no reason to sell. There's no reason. Just make sure you're moving your stop loss. Made 300 on my PA. Yara, you're finally on the PA. Yara, you joined not even a month ago, right? And you're already on the PA. That's what's up. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. That's what's up. Do you share all your trades? Yeah. Love them. Every single trade that I've ever taken is always posted. There's never. Okay, back then I used to, you know what I mean? Hey, thank you, Connage. Thank you, my man. But you know, every trade that I take, first of all, I take it on a live with everyone in the screen share, and I also alert it for those that can't make it. Of course, I always alert my trades like this. So yeah, everything's here. All my entries, everything's all posted. And of course, it's on the premium. And of course, I show full transparency. I show my payouts. I requested a payout this weekend for 10K. And I requested I got my payout last week. Was it last week? For another 10K, which hit the bank. So and of course, once this one hits the bank, of course, I'm gonna show you guys, of course, my Wells Fargo, my name, everything to show that I actually we actually live up to what we do. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of people that I mean they say, oh, the trade played out in our favor, blah blah blah, whatever. But no, they don't actually show the executions. They don't show the payouts. You know what I mean? So that's what's up. That's what's up. Let me see. Let me see. Are we all invited to a party, bro? Miguel, of course, bro. Especially you, man. Come on now. Was at work. I couldn't be on the chart. I said that I missed it out. Working on. So that's what's up, man. That's what's up. Here, guys, I better see the win channel below. Oh my! Hold on. Oh, I was about to say, how many wins? Damn. That is what I like to see, guys. That is what I like to see, guys. Blow up the wins channel. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow up those wins. I need to see those wins. But guys, right now we are dumping a little bit. I have my stop loss. Wait, here. Let me move my stop loss. I have my stop loss at this high up here. I have my stop loss up here. So here, I don't know. I'm just gonna move it like. I'll just leave it there. Who cares? Who cares? Yeah, it definitely helps to be in here with you. The thing is, okay, Carnage, I know that you're on my YouTube, but man, the thing is with YouTube, as much as I hate to do it, because, you know what I mean, I don't like to gatekeep stuff. Of course, when people pay and all that good stuff, you know, for the room, I have to, like, limit everything that I do for free and all that stuff. But class-wise, education-wise, I do not gatekeep a single thing, which I'm going to do a class later today, by the way. But when it comes to live trading and all that stuff, of course, I have to give it to the premium, bro. As much as I hate to say it, bro, as much as I hate to say it, I just have to do that. But I still do it on YouTube. It's just delayed by 2 minutes, so you don't get the entries as me. You just see how we do it, and of course you get the commentary. But hey, if it works for you, I mean, you know what I mean. Can you explain your sizing on starters and then your entry at 638? Okay, so of course, okay, with starters, pretty much what it means is you want to be in the position since like you kind of know that the price is gonna go up, but you're pretty much not confident enough to have the price go up. You know what I mean? Or there might not be enough confirmation or confluence, or you know, you just don't like the chart overall yet, right? But you like it just enough to enter a position, right? So you're entering very light. It could be 5 micros, could be 10, depending on what your thing is. Bro, Ale, what's going on, bro? What's up? What's up? But yeah. And then of course when you guys enter full, you guys can always add more to your position at the actual entry point, or if you guys want to hold on to your starters, you don't have to enter. You could just use your entry point as a take profit. Now YouTube got that 3-minute delay. No, it's 2 minutes, right? 120 seconds is 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I blast you. If it reverses directions back down and goes to the fair value gaps, would it be a good time to enter shorts? Not yet. Not yet. The whole reason I'm saying not yet is because you got to keep this in mind, right? If you want to go ahead and inverse a fair value gap, you need to make sure everything lines up with it, right? That includes the trend, and that includes a sweep in liquidity. The market is in between two levels of liquidity. The one we already took out, right, which we can't sweep anymore because the market is already holding above it, right? So what you would do ideally would be you would want to wait here. First of all, let me delete this. You would want to wait for the market to go ahead and break above this level of liquidity up here. We sweep it, we get an MSS, and then we inverse this fair value gap right here. Then you would enter shorts. That would be what the model would be telling you, right? But if we reject down here or up here, and we inverse this fair value gap right here, for example, let me clean up the charts for a little bit. If we do this, for example, like this, right, where price just simply goes below this, you're running a risk of getting faked out, right? Because right now what the market could do is it pulls back a little bit and then it pushes back up into drawn liquidity, because the overall trend on the higher time frame is bullish, right? And keep in mind, the market has not taken out liquidity at 692, which is what we're expecting. Sure, I mean, I could be wrong if the market could dump. It's pretty much unpredictable. But what our strategy and our model is telling us is ideally we want to see a pump up into 692, a sweep, and then selling. Once we get the selling, we inverse this bullish one right here. Let me see. Just got the premium. You're goated. Hey, bro, welcome to the family, my man. Welcome to the family, bro. I love to hear that. I love to hear that, bro. Yeah, for sure. I'm here from RP's Premium. Hey, bro, for sure, for sure. As long as you're making money, that's what matters. You know what I mean? But yeah, let me see here. Let me catch up with the Discord chat. Let me put this over on my second monitor. Thank you, David. Hey, Crystal, appreciate you, my man. As long as you made money, bro, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Well, I never know you can add more into a trade. Don't get too comfortable with it though. I think Apex is kind of against it. I think Apex is kind of against. What's that 692? We have liquidity up here. So if you expand your time frame, here, let me delete this. If you expand your time frame and you go back here, you'll see that we have two levels of liquidity. Here at 692 and 717, right? So, and guys, I think I got stopped out, right? Yeah, I just got stopped out, guys. I got stopped out of my runners. So I'm fully out of the trade. I made my money. I'm happy with it. I don't know if you guys are still in or out, but regardless, amazing trade. We cannot complain with it. But yeah, we have liquidity at 692. Can this 5-minute be used for longs? Actually, in a way, yeah. I'm not gonna say yeah, but if you want to risk it, at least first of all, wait for a bounce above this. I would say wait for a bounce. If we get a good bounce, then yeah, you could use this as a nice longing opportunity. Because I still do believe that the market could see these two levels up here. right? We could see 778 or 678 and 692. That's only if we hold above this fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I should have set my stop loss a little bit below down here. Should have, would have, could have. You know what I mean? Or in inverse. The thing is, you could inverse it, but that's not what the model is telling you. You know what I mean? Because the model, keep in mind, we have not taken out drawn liquidity. If you zoom out, there is no levels of liquidity rather than 692, right? So for us to go ahead and inverse it, right, you would want us to sweep liquidity and form an MSS. Then it goes down, right? Because yeah, sure, you can inverse this right here, but you don't have that much confluence or confirmations behind the trade, right? Because it could be a small pullback and then you get faked out. You know what I mean? Bro, Fernie, good luck, bro. Right now, I think you should be good. Just see how this holds up, right? But yeah, no, that trade is kind of more on you, more on your end, more on your end. Here, let me see this one. Stop loss at break even. Oh, then you're good, bro. You're good. You're good. You entered at 35. Okay. Okay. You could, if anything, just move it down 2 points so you have more of a safer stop loss. So I would put it like at 33 or 32, 32, if you are in. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with risking like what, like 3 points. What's the difference? You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, real talk. I'm practically done with the day. I'm practically done for the day. Damn, 9. Oh, damn. Okay. 9, are you in here? Wait, let me see. 9, bro. Good shit, bro. You just, how many accounts did you pass, bro? Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 accounts, man. Damn. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's what I love to see. Thank you, Blastoise, for another good morning. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to pray. Exactly. Don't forget to pray, of course, as always. And guys, enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. But for me, on my end, guys, we got our one good take. I'm happy to call it a day. Are you guys good to call it a day? Let me know. Let me know. Yes, God is good. God is amazing, man. Yes, I'm down. Okay, good. All right, sounds good. Sounds good. I'm not gonna lie. What am I gonna do now? I have to work on some Instagram videos. And I gotta prepare for the class later today, guys. I'm gonna do a class at 4 p.m. Did the fair value gap just reject? Could go long? You could. Yeah, you could. You should have entered a little bit earlier. But yeah, the idea is there, Kevin. Yeah. That's been a good. See you at 4 p.m. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a live for today. For now, since we got our trade and all that good stuff. And guys, I'm gonna do a class at 4 p.m. EST today. So I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna break down my strategy a little bit more, so we all learn something new. All right, guys. All right, so guys, take it easy. I'm gonna be a little bit active in the chat, but that's about it. All right, guys, that's about it for me. All right, guys, take it easy, guys, and stay safe. And don't force trades. Don't go red today. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace out. Peace out. And for the people, for the people on my YouTube, guys, if you guys want to join the premium, get access to all my alerts, all my live trading, all my classes, all my videos, all my mentorships, all my guides, all my everything, and access to the community, of course. Click the first link in the description, and it should take you to my store page if you guys want to, of course, join the premium. It's all there, right? But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day for today. I'll see you guys in the class at 4 p.m. EST. All right, guys.